Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So as in previous video, you have learned about the queen ant and the cycle of turning the grubs into a perfect ant. Then how that new ant learned its duty to enter the world of works. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the ant hill. Is there any other creature allowed to live in the ant hill besides ants? So look into your book. An ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures, beetles, lesser breeds of ants, and the green fly. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? For several reasons. Some give off a smell pleasing to the ant's sense. Others give sweet juice, and some are just pets or playing things like cats and dogs to human beings. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk with a touch of their antenna. They milk it just as we milk the cow. So in previous video, as you have learned that the ant lives in the ant hills. So in the ant hills, some other creatures are also allowed to live. It means some other creatures except ants also live in the ant hills, such as beetle. Beetle is a kind of insect, lesser breeds of ants. It means some other ants of different breed which are lesser than the common ants. And also green flies. Green flies also live in the ant hills. Green fly is an insect that sucks juice from the plants. So in the ant hill, some other creatures except ants also live in the ant hill. So now you must be thinking that why do the ants allow the other creatures to live in their own house? So there are some reason and purpose for that the ant allows other creatures to live in their homes. So some reasons are: some creatures give off a smell pleasant to the ant's sense. It means some insects produce a smell which the ants really like that, and some other give sweet juice to the ants, and some other creatures are just like pet. Just like human beings, we keep animals as pet, such as dog, cat, etc. So the ants also keep some creatures as pets. And green fly also live in the ants hill, and it is very important for ants. It is like cow for the ants. So why is it so most important for the ants? So it is the most important because the green fly gives honeydew. Honeydew is a kind of milk for the ant. It means the green fly gives milk to the ants. That's why it is important for the ant. Just like we get milk from the cow, the ants also get milk from green fly by touching their antennas. And to get milk from the green fly, first the ants train and teach the green fly to get milk. So these are the some reasons. Because of that, the ant allows other creatures to live in their ant hill. Now move to the next paragraph. Have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. They may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher: hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. So here in this last paragraph of this chapter, it is told that it is possible that human beings have learned as much as ants have learned, but human beings haven't got full advantages and uses of their learning and knowledge. It means human beings haven't used their knowledge and learning in a good and proper way so that they can get more and more advantages. So therefore, human beings have a lot to learn from this tiny teacher. It means we can learn so many good and useful things from this tiny teacher, the ant, such as we can learn hardworking, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and the most important thing what we can learn from this tiny teacher is the loyalty, faithfulness and devotion to our family, society and country. So now here this chapter comes to an end. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.